So Judge Aaron Persky, who's the judge behind that Brock Turner case, has been recalled from his position now.
Yeah, voters made their voices heard at those polls in California. They voted to remove Judge Persky from office. A Stanford University law professor launched that recall effort shortly after the sentencing, in large part to Judge Persky sentencing Brock Turner to 6 months in prison for sexually assaulting a young woman outside a fraternity house on campus. Remember, he was a swimmer at Stanford University. Prosecutors wanted 7 years. Turner served 3 of those months, 3 months, got off for good behavior. Critics said the sentence was too lenient. Persky is the first California judge to be recalled from his position since 1932.
Yeah, many on social media pointing out that although the sentencing happened in 2016, well before the Me Too movement, this recall seems to be the first in the backdrop of that movement, which has forced criminal investigation of sexual assault among men.
Persky has yet to comment on his removal from being a California jurist. 2 women who were running to succeed Persky in this case. The thing about it is, though, that sentence was heard around the country. People were outraged by the sentence. He could have given him up to, like, what, 7 or 9 years, and instead this guy gets off with 3 months. What sort of justice was served for that young lady?
That
was the question, right?
Asking,
so that's how voters make their voices heard. They had the question from 2 years ago, and they took care of business in California.